I hope you all are fine and doing well. So let's start the revision of the herbal drug technology, and in this video we are going to cover 10 important MCQs related with the herbal drug technology. As you can see, so first question, who is regarded as the father of organic farming? Your options are Sir Albert Howard, Rudolf Steiner, and option C is Heber Landent. So yes, correct answer is the Sir Herbert Howard. So he is regarded as the father of organic farming, and I hope you know about the organic farming. These are the practices of using the nature and exploring the use of the natural resources in cultivation and collection of the plant. So the next question, who is regarded as the father of biodynamic agriculture? Again, the same options are given over here, like the question number 1. Sir Albert Howard, we know he is regarded as the father of organic farming now. Second, Rudolf Steiner. Third one is the Heber Landent. About the Heber Landent, he is regarded as the father of plant tissue culture. So the correct option will be yes, option B, Rudolf Steiner. So he was an Austrian philosopher and a scientist also, and this concept of biodynamic agriculture was evolved somewhat in the year 1924. Next question. Sometimes common questions may ask in the GPAT examination and in the pharmacist also, like where is the major headquarters of different agencies like WHO. We have WHO guidelines in the syllabus. So where is the headquarters of WHO situated? I hope you know the answer. Yes, it is option A, Geneva, Switzerland. So in Geneva, Switzerland, headquarters of the World Health Organization is situated. Next question, as we have WHO guidelines in our syllabus, so what is herb according to WHO? According to WHO, definition of herb include option A, crude plant materials such as leaves, flowers, fruits. Option B, seed, stem, wood, bark, roots, rhizomes, or other part which may be entire fragmented powder. And option C, both A and B. So the correct answer for this question will be yes, both A and B. That is, according to WHO, herb means any crude plant material such as leaves, flowers, fruit, seed, stem, wood, bark, as well as other parts which may be entire, powdered, or fragmented. The option C is the correct answer. Next question number 5. Yes, very simple question. IPM stands for, I hope you know the answer. It is integrated pest management, or integration pest management, or integrated pest marketing. So yes, it is very simple. Integrated pest management is the answer. I hope you know about the integrated pest management. It involves the different methods so as to eradicate the pest. Next, sites, again a very important question. In the WHO guidelines, these sites are mentioned. What is full form of these sites? That is the Conference on International Trade and Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna. Option B, Convention on the International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Flora and Fauna. And option C, Convention on the International Trade in Extinct Species. So correct answer will be option number B, that is the convention. It is not the conference, it is the Convention on the International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. Next question, this process is desired when the sand, dirt, and the foreign organic part of the same plant that is not constituting the drug are required to be removed. So tell me the answer. Either it is garbling, option B dressing, or both A and B. Yes, option C is the right answer, both A and B. What is garbling, or also known as dressing? It is the process when sand, dirt, and the foreign organic part of the same plant non constituting the drug are required to be removed. So ज़्यादातर हम ऐसा we will do the garbling in case of when we drug obtain from the soil or underground drugs. Question number 8, examples of biofertilizers include, yes, the right option will be both A and B, Rhizobium, Azotobacter, and Azospirillum. Now question number 9, calcareous soil contains, I hope you know the answer, more than 20% lime. That lime is the calcium oxide. Next, this approach is used in the biodynamic agriculture, where we have to focus upon the planting calendar for the development of the plant and the soil. Okay, planting calendar in the biodynamic agriculture. Option A is the right answer. So thank you very much for your patience and listening. See you in the next lecture.